What's up guys, Tanner over at Eibach, and today I'm excited to show you our factory assembled Stage 1 kit. Now this is the same Stage 1 kit that we've been selling for years, however it now includes an OEM quality top mount pre-assembled here at the factory. So before this you would have to take your factory strut off, disassemble it in order to swap over your top mount from your OEM setup. So if you didn't have a spring compressor, if you didn't have a shop nearby that could do that for you, this is going to be your answer. So what this means is you'll remove your factory strut assembly, set it on the shelf, grab your factory assembled Stage 1 kit, plug it in, get it aligned, and you're all set. We've also set the perch to be leveled out with the rear. However, the Stage 1 kit does have various clip settings, so if you plan on putting a bumper and a winch on in the near future, this kit can accommodate the extra weight. Now currently, the factory assembled Stage 1 kits are only available for select applications. However, we are working really hard on extending those listings. So be sure to sign up for the Winner's Circle on Eibach.com to stay up to date on all of our deals and new product releases. And as always, if you have any questions on this particular kit or any of our other products, give me a call or visit Eibach.com.